Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you what your customer goes through when they buy your printables and go out and create your printables, make them real, put them in the real tangible world, just like this printable die right here. I'm going to take you through it. Okay, so the first thing they do is they visit wherever your product is placed online, be it Etsy or your own website. They go ahead and download the digital product and they print it out. It's going to look like something like this. This is US letter size, okay, 8.5 by 11 inch, okay. All of my printables come out at this size. The equivalent in Europe is A4. It's a little bit different, but with printers these days, you can actually have the image or the printable fit or expand to meet the requirements of the page size, or the paper size, I should say. So that's really cool. After that, your customer is going to cut out this printable die. Let's go with this traditional printable die. They cut it out. Then after that, they have to fold the printable die at all the different edges so that, of course, we create a cube. Then they fold the tabs. Now these tabs are really important because your end user is going to put glue on them or tape them and create the printable die. Once they have the printable die, they're going to use it for whatever type of occasion they want. Now, something really important to understand. You can definitely sell printable die on their own. I've seen it done. I've sold them myself. What I recommend you do is you add them as part of a bundle. Okay, be it a football game or a baby shower or a Christmas event, whatever it is, make the printable die part of the whole experience. Okay, this is going to help you increase conversions, and it's going to again add to their event. Right, we're helping our customer do something. Right, we want them to have a really cool, enjoyable event, whatever the event is. Maybe they want to entertain their children, so they want everything themed. They want to have all the games. They want to have all the banners, all the dice themed to one type of event and theme. Yeah, so that's a really important point. You are creating a cohesive experience for your customers so that they have a great time in whatever type of event they decide to buy from you, because they are buying an important part of their event from you. Really important. And that's it. Okay, so make sure that you create many elements that are tied together and sell that online digitally, and your customers will print it out and make it tangible. Simple as that. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.